Morning guys, outside again, and I got my favourite hair clips, bobby pins, whatever you want to call them. But I had an idea of trying to make a rake. I've never done that yet, so I'm gonna have a go at making a rake out of one of these things. And I'm doing a giveaway as well, but we'll get to that in a bit. They always have I don't know what they put on the tips of these things. Some have like a horrible rubber tip that pulls off, but others have like lacquer on them or something. I just cut it off. I'm just gonna hold it in the vise and use a small file, I think. Just file some notches on the end. I'm going for kind of I have to hold the end because it's gonna bounce around, I'm sure. I'm aiming for something like a city rake. Yeah, I'd like to do a giveaway because I appreciate you guys watching my videos. It's nice, I like making videos, it's a bit of fun for me. And I know a lot of you guys obviously make videos too. And a lot of you make some awesome pics. Some of them are just works of art, they're really amazing. But I'm making my humble little bobby pin pick, or rake as I should say. And the giveaway, I'm going to give a couple of locks away and maybe some little bits and pieces. But to enter, I just ask that you're a subscriber and that you have your own YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be just about locks, like my channel is about all kinds of stuff, whatever interests I have at the time. And a lot of you guys are here for the locks, and some for the guns, and some just for a bit of everything that I do. And so I don't expect I'll get too many entries into it because, like I say, a lot of my viewers are not necessarily into locks. But I'm aiming this at the lockpicking community, and I'd like you to enter to make a video of you making your own pick or rake out of anything you like. Could be the fanciest pick out there to a paperclip, and just show picking a lock, any lock you like, lock of your choice, anything, and upload the video onto my comment section on this video so everyone can see. It helps let them find your channel too if they've never heard of you before, and obviously helps my channel too. The winner or the person that will be chosen at random, it's not going to be what I think is the best video or anything like that. It's just you do the video and that gets you entry, and I'll just pick a random one. I don't know how I'm going to pick yet. Might just be names out of the hat or something like that. And if you've never tried picking a lock before, have a go. it's kind of fun. Can be a little bit addictive. I know it looks it doesn't really look like a city rake, but it's my take on it, and I'm allowed to I'm allowed to do what I want. I'm just cutting these ridges in randomly, really, just see what happens, see if it'll work. I know it sort of vaguely looks like a city rake, but not really. I'm sure a lot of thought and stuff has gone into the city rake design, but I've seen quite a few variants of it, so I figured why not make my own variant of it. Kind of fun to do. I'm going to probably just rub a bit of sandpaper over this and call that it. Alright, we've got a 5-pin front door lock made by Taylor Lock Company, who is long gone. This lock's from the 1970s, although it's not an old lock, it's new old stock, and I'll be giving one away along with a bunch of other stuff, and you'll see it at the end of this video. See if I can go bottom of the keyway here. Alright, let's stick our rake in. Sorry if it's wobbly. There we go, we got it, yay! See, not to be underestimated, the humble bobby pin. Alright, well thanks for watching guys, and here's a bunch of stuff that I'm going to be giving away. Alright guys, so here's some of the stuff I want to give away. There's a, I call it the licorice stick dimple pick set. It's one of them. I've got one of these myself, and I thought I'd buy another one for a giveaway in the future. So there's that, and here's a 7-pin Chinesium. It's a cheap lock, but something to practice on. A ton of keys with that thing. A couple of gun locks. Little master combo lock. That's brand new, that thing too. And here's an old master combo lock. Works good. Something to practice on. And a little Abbas C75 dimple lock. Awesome little lock that. I picked it a couple of times and it's pretty much brand new. And here's a tubular lock, a little motorcycle disc lock. I'll throw in a bunch of blank keys. I'll throw in more than that, there's just a few there. And I got a bunch of these things. I use these things, I think they're great, just for keeping your keys on and stuff. You know, they're stainless steel and they're threaded, screwed together. You've probably seen them or used them, but I'll throw in a bunch of them. Some more of them. And here's a vintage, it's new, unopened, old stock from the 70s. Jimmy resistant, I love that. It's made by Taylor Lock Company. It's a 5-pin lock. I'll throw that in. And that's about it. But I'll ship wherever you are in the world, I'll ship to you. And like I say, it'll be just randomly picked, so you don't have to have the best video or whatever I think's best. Nothing like that. It's just have a YouTube channel. You need that first of all. Share my video so other people can take part. You know, let's build this community and get more people interested, and just make a pick or a rake out of anything you like. You can, you know, let your imagination go wild, or show off your skills with a really nice pick, whatever, and just show your pick being used. You don't have to show it being made, just show it being used on any lock you like. Could be a, I don't know, master number 3 or a much more challenging lock. It's up to you. Alright, so that's it guys. And oh yeah, just put the link to your video in the comment section on this video. It will help promote your channel, let other people find you, and it'll be good for the community, I think. A bit of fun too. No point in doing it if you're not having fun doing it. Alright, that's it guys. Catch you later. Have fun. Use my bobby pin lever, top of the keyway, and see if this thing will do anything. A bit of rocking motion, bit of raking. There you go.